Hi, this is Science Week 12, Lesson 2 from Chapter 4, Hot and Cold Deserts. There are many places for plants and animals to live. Some animals live in water and some animals live on land. Today's lesson is about animals and plants that live in a hot desert and in a cold desert. First, we will start with a hot desert. A hot desert is a dry habitat that gets very little rain. Some deserts are hot during the day and cool at night. The soil in a hot desert is sandy soil and rocky soil. The plants that grow in a hot desert is the cacti and grasses. Cactus have thick stems so they can store water. And we also know that any plant that grows in a hot desert can store water in their stems and leaves. It's very hard for plants to find water in a hot desert. So some have roots that spread out to find water when it rains. Animals that live in a hot desert are tortoises, snakes, lizards, Gila monster, coyote, and horned lizard. We know that animals cannot survive without water, so animals that live in a hot desert get most of their water from eating plants or other animals. And we also know that animals that live in a hot desert have pale colors or light colors that help them stay cool and hide from other animals. We also know that animals sleep during the day and come out at night when it is cooler. Now we will be talking about the cold desert, which is the Arctic. What is the Arctic like? The Arctic is a desert near the North Pole, and it is very cold and dry. Animals that you can find in a cold desert are the Arctic foxes, reindeer, polar bears. Now, when you look at the Arctic foxes and polar bears, you can see that they grow thick white fur to keep them warm and help them hide from other animals. And also you can find walruses and seals. Walruses and seals have thick blubber that helps them survive. We can also find plants in the cold desert. But in the Arctic, there are many small low plants. You cannot find tall trees, and Arctic plants grow close to the ground. Plants have tiny leaves and the roots are shallow. Thank you.